Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many of us struggle with: how to stay motivated to exercise and eat healthy. Whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or you've been at it for a while, staying motivated can be a challenge. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks that can help you stay on track. So let's dive in. Find your why. The first step to staying motivated is to find your why. Why do you want to exercise and eat healthy? Is it to feel better, to have more energy, to lose weight, or to prevent chronic diseases? Once you've identified your why, write it down and keep it somewhere visible, like on your fridge or in your workout space. This can serve as a reminder of why you're doing what you're doing, and help keep you motivated. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is another important step to staying motivated. Be specific about what you want to achieve, and make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. For example, if you want to lose weight, aim for a healthy and sustainable weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. If you want to run a 5K, start with a walk-run program and gradually increase your running time. Achieving small goals along the way can help boost your motivation and keep you on track. Create a plan. Having a plan in place can also help you stay motivated. Plan your meals and workouts for the week ahead, and schedule them in your calendar like you would any other appointment. This can help you stay accountable and make it easier to stick to your healthy habits. Find what you enjoy. Exercise and healthy eating should be enjoyable, not a chore. Find types of exercise and healthy foods that you enjoy, and make them a part of your routine. If you hate running, try swimming or cycling instead. If you don't like vegetables, try different cooking methods or seasoning to make them more appealing. Finding what you enjoy can make it easier to stick to your healthy habits. Mix it up. Doing the same thing over and over again can get boring and make it harder to stay motivated. Mix up your workouts and meals to keep things interesting. Try a new workout class, experiment with different healthy recipes, or try a new type of exercise like yoga or Pilates. Track your progress. Tracking your progress can also help you stay motivated. Keep a journal or use an app to track your workouts, meals, and progress towards your goals. Seeing how far you've come can be a great motivator to keep going. Find a support system. Having a support system can also be a key to staying motivated. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness group, or connect with like-minded individuals online. Having someone to share your journey with and provide accountability can make it easier to stay on track. Don't beat yourself up. Finally, it's important to remember that slip-ups happen. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or indulge in an unhealthy food. Instead, focus on getting back on track and moving forward. In conclusion, staying motivated to exercise and eat healthy requires finding your why, setting realistic goals, creating a plan, finding what you enjoy, mixing it up, tracking your progress, finding a support system, and being kind to yourself. I hope these tips and tricks help you stay motivated on your fitness journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see